Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Wow, nice stop. Oh man, I got a karma cup. Woohoo! And that's a place to stay.
Drugs.
Oh shit.
Mark is getting searched.
Oh my god, this guy's an
Video
asshole.
protected.
Oh my god, what a dick.
Flash your high beam.
Video protected.
Or that gun. The f are you doing?
Understandable. Yes, it's perfectly understandable.
Oh my god.
Comprehensible.
Got his ass.
Okay, who's gonna move, huh?
Kidding me?
The snow comes back. The air 100 million Americans are breathing right now is 10 times more toxic than normal pollution, spreading east by the hour. Here's what happened. 130 wildfires are burning across.
I'm already gone, so please just stay the night with me. Yeah, I'm whatever you can trust it. Boss ain't the drum, I ain't no percussion. Banjo, no percussion. Banjo, gave him a concussion. Keep him talking, turn this shit to no Russian. One time, no.
Oh, get him! Get him! What are you doing? Yes! Yes! Yes!
You're an idiot.
In about 2.5
especially for their country, more so than their club. They were just arguably the three best players in the world at that time. So having that be topped by this France team is crazy. And it's not that I think France have the three best players. When he plays for the national team for France. And even if you look at the individual as well, because
Wow.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.